And then I wanted to go through some of your specific questions, especially how to teach math if you don't consider yourself good at it. Gifted and advanced math, especially, that kind of goes along with what if I'm not good at math and my kid is really amazing at math? How does this work together? What if I have two kids and they're learning at different rates? Just how to get your child to love math because that everything else kind of unfolds when you can get past that low confidence and anxiety. I want to talk about how to get to that point of deep understanding because a lot of you expressed in your form that, okay, it's great that they can answer questions, but how do I know that they have a real deep understanding and how do I draw connections in the real world with math? That seemed really important to you, which is a beautiful intention. And then we're going to talk a little bit about learning differences, especially ADHD, autism, dyscalculia, and dyslexia, and how to navigate those when you're teaching math. And then you had some very specific questions, which we'll also address. So here are the main tenets that I have distilled that are effective for homeschooling math. The first is really getting aligned with your child on the purpose of learning math. A lot of our kids say, oh, what's the point of learning math? I don't get it. And we kind of skip over that. Like, oh, you have to. But there's something so powerful about having a mission and knowing why you're doing something. Rohan and I both run companies. If we didn't know why we were doing what we were doing, we would not be able to get up in the morning and get all the work done. And so, really taking the time to think for yourself, well, what is the purpose of learning math? Is it just to get to graduate from school? How do I actually apply this in my life? And this is something that you can do together.